All right. Just dropped my kid off and driving home. And I guess I am going to do like a weekly vlog. But just on topics that I don't understand or that I think people are crazy on. And that's well, I mean, I do think people are crazy on this topic too. But flirting. In my social media over the past week, there have been numerous women, not dudes, not dudes, women who have questioned why, and these are the questions in all seriousness, and I'm not calling anybody out. I mean, if you see this video and you know that it's one of your things, well, I apologize if you get butthurt or whatever, but I just find it funny, and I just don't get it. So, you know, like, somebody who works at a place that you're at, a guy who works at a place that you're at, getting something or doing something, and they ask you if you need help. They're not asking you if you need help because they think you're a woman and you're helpless. The first thing I would think is that they're asking if you need help because they work there and it's their job. I don't know how that's an alien concept or why some women, because like I said, with dudes it'll never happen, but with some women that they're like, what am I, helpless? Is it because I'm a woman? No, dude. It's probably because they work there. Or they're flirting with you. You know, if it's something blatantly obvious, you know, that you definitely do not need help with, and they're like, you know, hey, you need help? And they're close to your age and, you know, and all that. You know, it's not some 83-year-old dude that comes up unless he's a freaking perv. My point is well, before I get to that point, a study came out. I can't remember if it was D News or whoever it was, and they were like, a study came out and said that people just don't know when other people are flirting. Like, we just don't know when they're flirting. It's like probably a 30% rate of the opposite sex knowing when the other opposite sex is flirting with them. And I don't get that, but I mean, it just goes to show, out of all the posts I've seen over the last week. And then it gets into the other thing I wanted to talk about is flirting at the gym. Yes, everybody says it's a no-no. Everybody says don't fucking do it at the gym. You know, okay, and I get that, but if somebody is trying to talk to you at the gym, they're not doing it to be a douchebag. Unless it's a douchebag that just walks around constantly trying to correct people's form and shit like that. That's a whole other thing. But if they walk up to you and be like, hey, you got a nice smile, or you should smile more, or, you know, I see you in here all the time. They're not talking to you just to fucking, yeah, well, they are talking to you just to talk to you, but it's for a reason. They probably want to get to know you better, and they're trying to feel out if there's anything on your end. Are you interested at all? You know, if you brush them off, there's no interest, they should go on about their fucking day. But the whole thing about not hitting on people in the gym, and I actually posted this on one of the posts I saw on Facebook, I responded with this, is I would understand women getting pissed off at dudes flirting with them at the gym if they got pissed off at every single dude that flirted with them at the gym. And they don't. I've personally seen it. You know, there'd be a chick working out, and a dude will walk up. She could just be at the fucking water fountain or tying her goddamn shoelace. She's not in a set. She's not doing reps. And a dude's trying to talk to her. She wants fucking none of it. And then another dude walks up, and for all I know, they could know each other, but didn't seem like it to me. Another dude walks up, and they start fucking talking because the other dude was better looking. So it's kind of a double standard. You know, women that say, don't fuck with me when I'm at the gym, I'm in the fucking zone, you know, this is my place. I get it, dude. I totally understand. I don't want some chick, well, I wouldn't care. I'm a dude. If a chick fucking flirted with me, I don't care if I'm covered in goddamn shit and they want to flirt with me. That's just fine. But some women are like, well, I'm sweaty and I look like ass and I'm not wearing makeup, blah, 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 blah. Please don't flirt with me. Okay, I get it. But if the hottest dude you've ever seen in your life, and he's your complete type, started talking to you at the gym, I'm sure you wouldn't tell him to fuck off. That's my only point here. I'm sure that you would probably talk back to him. Just Rob's thoughts, but I'm probably right. Could be wrong. So, stop thinking that dudes that want to talk to you are only doing it, A, because they think you're helpless and you're a woman, and there's something wrong there if you're thinking that. Maybe some dudes do that. I don't know. I said do. I don't live in places where that shit tends to happen, but what do I know? And if a dude talks to you at the gym and you don't want to talk to him, don't get all butthurt about it. Just say, yeah, I'm good, no thanks, whatever, and continue on. It's no skin off your back. So that's it. That's my rant. Rob out.